Now we divide 476 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get zero. So now we put down this 7 and 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 476 divided by 4 is 190. So this much for today and thanks for watching.